see you, little cutie watching this video. How you doing? I hope you're doing well, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is a review again on the Function hair shampoo and conditioner. It's personalized shampoo and conditioner hair care for you. Okay, so after I did the video, the Function company actually contacted me and said, we'll give you a free set of shampoo and conditioner. Can you do another review for us? And I was like, oh my god, yeah, sure, send me some free shampoo and conditioner. Like I said in my last video, it is expensive. However, I do vouch for it because I do feel like it lasts a long time. But before I go into explaining this new set that I bought and why I went for this combination, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications every single time I upload. And then what I want you to do is give me a thumbs up for that positivity. Comment in the comment section below. Have you tried personalized shampoo before from a different brand, this brand, how did you feel, etc, etc. Do you make your own DIY shampoo and conditioner? Let me know in the description box below. Okay, don't forget to also follow me on my social media, Instagram and Twitter, and I'll follow you back on Twitter if you let me know you're a subscriber, I promise. Okay, so it has remembered my old hair profile, you know, curly hair, medium structure with a dry scalp, which is fantastic. Okay, so these were my 5 hair goals last time. I had deep condition, hydrate, lengthen, anti-frizz and curl definition. But as you can see underneath where my mouse is, it tells you what each does or what ingredients it contains to achieve this. You are only allowed to choose 5 goals, so I'm just going to, you know, change it up, to be honest, because I felt like although the shampoo that I originally bought was really good, maybe I want to try something different since I've got the opportunity to. And you know, I want to grow my hair, so I'm definitely going to click on lengthen. I know my hair's been thinning, so I want to strengthen it. I do want to replenish it for that reason too. Curl definition, anti-frizz, because I have my hair curly most of the month. But you remember when I had the scalp issues, I do want to maybe soothe that. But again, with my curls, it does get quite frizzy. I don't know which one to choose because I'm only allowed 5. Okay, I'm going to go with anti-frizz. So I'm going to keep the name CASTB, like my YouTube channel. I am looking to go as natural as possible, so I'm probably going to go dye-free because that still looks like a cute colour anyway. Okay, so I do want it to be completely fragrance-free, to be honest. Alright, well, here it says, with the mix of ingredients, it will smell different anyway. So eucalyptus is very natural and neutral. Right, so I'm going to go with eucalyptus then. So I'm probably going to go with light again because, again, I don't want it to be too heavy. So I basically have got the $36 free worth of shampoo and conditioner. However, I do like the big bottle, so I'm probably just going to get the big bottle. I don't even care. I'll just pay a little bit extra. I don't want this supply every month or every month because it lasts longer than that. So I'm quite happy to choose a different one each time or whatever works for me. I got the $34 off it. So including shipping, I'm actually still paying $20 for this. So I'm still paying towards it, but I'd rather have the big bottles because I feel like they do last a long time and I do use a lot of conditioner. Okay, so there's a $5 discount referral code and the link in the description box. Please feel free to use it. So I've been using my new set of shampoo and conditioner for a full month now, and I'll show you what my hair looks like. Like, it looks so healthy. You see some shine. My hair does feel really strong, and as you could see in my last video, my hair did grow, and the shampoo and conditioner has been great for promoting my hair growth as well. So, remember the first video that I used, these products? I've still got them left. I used this product for about 4 months, including September, because that's when I used it. I did the review in October because obviously I had to wait a month. So, September, October, November, December, 4 bad boy months. And this is how much I use. Yes, I use more conditioner because I'm trying to condition my curls because I have naturally curly hair. And remember, if I don't use oil, I only shampoo my hair once. That's why there's that much left. But see, after 4 months of use, even though it's quite expensive, it doesn't run out that often. So you're probably saving in the long run. I like the cute silver caps and I feel like they're so aesthetic. I've used it for a month and this is where I'm at. Okay, so you're probably thinking that's quite a lot of shampoo for a month and quite a lot of conditioner for a month. You have to bear in mind my sisters used it a little bit too. So there was like 3 of us using it for a whole week and there's still a lot of shampoo and conditioner left. So I do prefer having a better scent, maybe the peach one, but I do like what this is doing to my hair. Like, it has helped it grow. All in all, I definitely would recommend buying again the customized shampoo and conditioner, just because it is adjusted to your hair type, and if you do buy again, you can actually change something that you didn't like before. If you want to see me go into more detail about these personalized shampoo, please go check out the description box below. I have a link to my original video. I speak about it in more depth on there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.